Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Noah Gragson, and Ty Dillon, and also Phil Moore to the 615 Open today. But those three drivers got something in common. All have seen Razor, Heru Run, Davi, Crystal Galaxies, Teddy Tubi, and Mayday Atelier. Ty Dillon has yet to see them. But tomorrow, yes. We also asked JoJo Quinn to use Ty Dillon for the group photo. So, what's going to happen at Teddy Tubi's birthday? Well, Nick Salmon music will play. Now let's watch some AFL. The Ruby Gloom theme song over AFL, that's something. Does anyone knows who Ruby Gloom is? Us. Nick Salmon didn't even watch that show on ABC3. Meanwhile, we look at this. And Connor's Illish. John Farnham and all of the Aussie artists will be there at Rod Laver Arena. In September, we're booking our tickets to that concert. Tina Arena is also gonna be there. So that will be the third time we will be seeing Tina Arena.